Okay, so today we're going to do a short review on this toy that I bought on AliExpress. It's an educational toy. So there you have it. It's a STEM toy for ages 3+ years. Educational magnetic sticks. Alright, so this comes with about 25 pieces. Take them out carefully. Ooh. And let's show you what it does. Alright, so as you can see, comes with several pieces, about 9 of these balls, about 4 of these curly things, four of these straight ones, 4 of these straight ones here like this, and we have about 8 of the small pieces like this. Now you want to get your child to be creative, you want to get your child to build. Instead of staying on the tablet all day, you can get them something like this. And this is what it does really. So you have it there. So it's magnetic, so each piece is magnetic. You stick it to each other and they work like that. You can make anything that you want, any shape that you want. Get another short piece here, and you see we've made a plain dimension item, but you can also make 3-dimensional items. Right, so if you want to go uppity, you can go uppity. So there, and we go here, and we get another piece like that, and we go here. So here we have created a 3D toy, and your child can express themselves and their creativity through this simple toy. About 2,000 Jamaican dollars on AliExpress. You can get bigger ones if you spend some more money. Right? And there you have it, guys. And you get a manual with all the different types of shapes you can make. You can make plain modeling, you can do plain modeling, and you can do 3D diagrams, the one I've done here. Alright, thank you guys for joining us. Have fun with this one.